Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be guiding you through how to use Godaddy. Set up your website step by step. Make sure you follow along till the end so you do not miss any tips and tricks to make things easier while using Godaddy. And let's jump right into it. First step is going to be going over to the website godaddy.com. You can simply search for it on your browser and then you'll be able to spot it right on top. This is the website that we're going to use, and once you're on the landing page on the right side, you would see an option that says start for free. If you'd like to proceed with a domain search, you can click on try AI domain search, which makes things a lot easier for domain search purposes. But for now, since we're proceeding with a website buildup, we're going to click on start for free and proceed to the next step. On the next page, you will be provided an option to sign in. If you have already created an account, this would be what you would use to sign in and access your account. However, since we're creating a new account, we're going to go ahead and click on create an account, and you can proceed to create with Facebook, Google account, or email. For this example, we're going to click on Google account and specify the email address that we're going to use for the account. Following that, you will face a sequence of queries to make your account more personalized. Make sure you select and answer accordingly so that your account would be best suited for your business. On the third step, you'll be requested to enter a name for your business, and once you've done that, you can click on continue to proceed. On this stage, you will enter a phone number, an email address, and also if your business has a physical address, you can input that address by moving the toggle right next to the prompt. Here, you would be provided a space to enter your address and you can proceed. However, we do not have a physical address for this demonstration, so I will put that back as it was and click on continue and jump right to the next step. Here you're prompted to describe the business that you have for the website. If you'd like to provide some details, you can use the space allotted or not. If you'd like to manage it later, you can click on skip this step and proceed to your website. It might take a few minutes to finalize the processing, and you would also be faced with a question to opt for a paid version or if you'd like to stick to the free version. For this demonstration, we are going to click on continue for free, and that will provide us with a dialog box where we can select all the sections that we want our website to have. On the left side of the dialog box, as you can see, you have different sections lined up. And if you'd like to remove some of these, you can simply click on the blue tick button and that will remove them automatically. If you'd like to keep them, you can have the blue tick mark as is and proceed to add any additional section you would need your website to have. Once that's sorted, you can click on continue to my website on the bottom right side of that dialog box. And after a little while of processing, you will have your website up for preview and editing. In your editing portal, as you can see on the right side of your screen, you have your website preview, themes, and settings. To select the specific theme you would want, you can click on themes and try a new look. This will provide you with the different options you can select from GoDaddy's library. For this demonstration, we will proceed with the current theme that has been already applied, but if you would like to change it, you can hover over the theme of your selection and click on select to have it applied onto your website. Once you've specified your theme, now it's time to customize that design. As you can see, you have the option to adjust the colors and the font of your website. By clicking on colors and playing around with the gradient that you have, you'd be able to adjust the overall look of your website. And next step, to customize the fonts within your website, you can click on fonts and you'll be provided with the different sections of text that you have within the website, such as the primary fonts and secondary fonts. You can click on each one of them and make adjustments accordingly so that they would be better fits for your website overall look. The primary fonts represent the bigger captions, and the secondary font represents the smaller detail providing text. With those two major components of the website fixed up, you can proceed to check on your settings and make sure that all the links and informations that are integrated within your website are correct by going through every detail and drop down. If you'd like to make adjustments to basic information, you can click on basic information and it will provide you with the site name. If you have any adjustments to make to the site name, business category, email address, or phone number, this is the place to do so. And once you're done, you can click on done. And if you'd like to have any social media links you'd like to add to the website, as a call to action, you can click on social media links, and all the social media link options will be provided, such as TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Instagram. By simply pasting your link here and clicking on done, you would be able to have them integrated with your website. To further make analytical and tracking customizations, you can go through the cookie banners, Google Analytics, Meta Pixels, remaining dropdowns, and make adjustments as per your desires. Once that's done, now it's time to go through each page and see how we can edit each page to portray our business. To do this, you can navigate to the left side of your panel, and as you can see, when you hover on the section, you would have a blue mark marking it. This means that you would be able to edit it right from there. If you like to add a section in between two sections, you can hover in between the sections and an add section button is going to pop up, and by clicking add section, you'd be able to see the different options of sections that you would be able to add within that position. A pop-up dialog box is going to open up on the right side of your display, providing you with the different options. You have sections that allow audio and video, contacts, commerce, blogs and newsletters, and so much more. From these, if you would want to add one, you can simply hover over the add option and click on add to have that specific section added onto your website. And with that, you have that section previewed within the website. And if you'd like to remove it, you can click on the three dots on the right top side of that specific section, which would be settings, and you can proceed to click on delete section so that that section would be removed, and you would have to confirm again by clicking on delete. To be able to upload your own image on the website, you can click on the specific section that you want to work on, and on the right side, an editing panel will be previewed. Here you can proceed to click on the specific change that you want to make. For instance, if you would like to change this cover media, you can click on cover media, and that will guide you further to the edits and change that you can make. You can click on image on the bottom side of the preview. You have the option to add it from your computer, or else if you like, you can directly add it from the browser or social media. By clicking add image, you'll be provided with the option to upload it from your storage. And the final step is to confirm by clicking insert on the right bottom side of your screen. And there you have it. The image will be displayed on your preview. Furthermore, for advanced customization, you can play around with the overlay so you would have different contrast within the image and the text. Furthermore, instead of an image, you also have the option to enter a video or a slideshow to make things more interesting. Next up, an important detail of websites is call to action. By clicking on the button itself on the right side of your screen, you'd be provided with the options of edits that you would be able to make to this call to action. Now it's time to have it previewed. By clicking on preview, you'd be able to see your website in two formats, which would be the desktop version and also the phone version. This allows you for a better visualization on both medias, and once that's done, you can click on publish so that you would have the website up and running. And here you have it, a confirmation that your website is published and ready for the public view. And with that, you're all set and ready to get started working on your website by using Godaddy. And I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button for more step-by-step guides, and we'll see you on the next one.